My dear students, today I want to start a new chapter, continuity and differentiability. So before starting continuity and differentiability, I want to give you ideas about continuity and differentiability. My dear students, you can feel by observing the graph when a function is continuous. If a function is continuous, then graph of any function will not break. If it will break, then it is not continuous. This is the feeling of continuity of a function. Now, in figure number 1, figure number 2, what do you observe? You observe that there is a break, so graph is not continuous. But in figure number 1, what do you observe? There is no break in the graph, so function is continuous. In figure 3, what do you observe? Here also, the value of right hand side limit and left hand side limit doesn't exist. So in this way, we can produce a feel of continuity of function. My dear student, continuity of a function at a point, how you define? Let D is an open interval in R and C a point belongs to D. Then right hand side, right continuous function. What is right continuous function? A function f from D to R is said to be right continuous or continuous from right at x is equal to c if limit x tends to c plus of fx is equal to fc. What does mean by x tends to c plus? If you come to the point at c by taking greater value of c, so it is known as c plus. And this is also known as right hand side continuity of a function. Now, see the next left continuous function. A function f from D to R is said to be left continuous or continuous from left at x is equal to c if limit x tends to c minus fx is equal to fc. What does it mean? If we come to the point x is equal to c, considering the less value of c, then it is known as left hand side continuity of a function. Now continuous function. A function f from D to R is said to be continuous at x is equal to c if it is both left continuous and right continuous at x is equal to c. That is, if limit x tends to c plus fx is equal to limit x tends to c minus fx is equal to fc, then the function is said to be continuous function. Discontinuous function, a function f from D to R is said to be discontinuous at x is equal to c if it is not continuous at x is equal to c. If the function is not continuous at x is equal to c, then automatically the function is discontinuous at x is equal to c. So, when a function is discontinuous, if left hand side is not equal to right hand side, if left hand side is equal to right hand side and the value of function at that point is not equal, then function is not continuous. So, in this way, we can check the continuity of a function. So, to get continuity of a function, we first check the value of the function at that point will exist or not. Then we'll check what is left hand side derivative. then we check what is right hand side derivative. So if value of the function is not equal to left hand side derivative, left hand side limit, then function is not continuous. If the value of function is not equal to right hand side limit, then function is also not continuous. And if function exists and left hand side limit is not equal to right hand side limit, then function is also said to be discontinuous. In this way, we can check the continuity of the function. This is about the rule and feeling of continuity of the function. In next video, we will discuss the problem on continuity of the function. Thank you very much.